In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the look around feature in Apple Maps, available on iOS 13 or later. This incredibly helpful tool allows you to explore street level imagery with a 360-degree view, similar to the well-known Google Street View. Whether you're planning a visit somewhere new or just curious about local sites, Look Around can provide a virtual tour right at your fingertips. Let's dive into the steps to effectively use this feature on your iPhone. First things first, you'll need to open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. It's a built-in application, so no additional downloads are necessary. Just look for the familiar map icon on your home screen and tap to open it. Once you have Apple Maps open, you'll want to navigate to a location that offers the Look Around feature. Not all locations have Look Around support yet, but this is ever expanding as Apple continues to update its maps. You can do this simply by dragging the map or entering the desired location in the search bar. When you've found the area you're interested in, keep an eye out for the Look Around icon, depicted as a pair of binoculars. If you're in a region that supports the feature, this button will appear on your screen, typically near the top. It's your gateway to exploring that area through Look Around. Go ahead and tap the binoculars icon when you see it. Tapping on this icon will bring you into a whole new perspective. Literally, you'll be taken into a detailed 360-degree view of your chosen location. Now you can immerse yourself as if you're right there in person. It's like teleporting to any spot on the map without leaving your home. Once you're inside the look around view, it's time to explore. Use simple swipe gestures on your screen to turn and look around the area. It's quite intuitive, just swipe left or right to rotate and change your point of view. If you want to get a closer look at something, like a nearby building or landmark, use the familiar pinch to zoom gestures. Zooming in can help you catch finer details, while zooming out provides a broader view of the surroundings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use Apple Maps' Look Around feature. This tool can be particularly handy for planning trips, getting a feel for a neighborhood before visiting, or just exploring the world from your sofa. Happy exploring, and I hope you have fun discovering new places through this fantastic feature on Apple Maps. Remember, as Apple updates their maps, more locations will support Look Around, so keep an eye on those binoculars as you navigate around. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips.